Hi friends, my name is Asif and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Asif Go. And today I am going to share a method with you that how you can run OALD Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary without installation. So this is very simple method that you can use, which I'm using now. As you can see, I haven't installed it and it is just working fine for me. I just mount it and then copy, uh, set up like I opened it, and simply you need to copy this or send to desktop, or you can use it from here as well. So this is a simple steps, and this is, as you can see, it's working fine. It take a little bit time because my system configuration isn't that good, and it's quite heavy software as well. Some of the features that can't work on this is you know, iSpeaker, iWriter resources or something like these features not working. My topics and pictures also work, but they these 3 or 4 features are not working. But now let's move on to the video's main mission, that how you can do this. Simply first of all you need to download this file, Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary. It is almost 3 GB file, and then what you need to do is just download alcohol 120%. The link is in the description, you can download it there. Once you do that, you simply need to go to the control panel and then go to the security setting. Now you need to Windows firewall, you need to turn it off. Simply you need to turn it off, and other settings, action center, you need to do this. Okay, and then all all will be checked, so you have to uncheck all and press enter. That's what you need to do. Then go to the file where you have a file downloaded. I have here file, so you will see these MDS and MDF. You simply need to do MDF file and mount image. I have created some parts, and so once you mount it, this will be mounted. Now I will do this for you again. If I simply eject it, now as you can see, this file is not working. But once I mount this image to any other file and go to my computer, as you can see, setups are now showing. So as you can see, there are files. So once we open it, we will see this again. Now as you can see, it is working, and after some time it will show up here and run. Listen, I haven't installed it. If you want to install, simple, the steps are simple. Just go to the setup and install. Installation is as easy, and I will give you the link in the description where I have already installed, shared a procedure of installation as well. So I want to show something else as well, that iWriter and iSpeakers are not working. If you're interested, then go to install, but they consume 3.4 GB here, because I don't have limited 15 GB remaining, and I have to install a lot of programs, so I don't afford to this one, but I think you can. Now if this comes to your this will come to your screen, it means it's working. As you can see, it's now works. Now as you can see, iWriter not work. Windows can now find G, speaker bin, speaker X. Make sure you type the name correctly because I haven't installed it, so this is not functioning well. The resources not working, but the images, as you can see, pictures, my topics, and dictionary, these three are working, but the four and these four are not working. If you are interested in these, then get the setup and install it. Just it's simple. Run as administrator because it's important. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and if this method worked for you, please press the like button as well. And goodbye for now. Thanks.